So part 3 looks pretty nice as well. Extend the program so that if the words entered are not anagrams of each other, the program displays the first word followed by the phrase is not an anagram of, and then the second word. So when the program is run, the output may look as follows. Enter the first word list to the second word array. List is not an anagram of array. So a nice start to this exam really. So we jump in here and we'll do the next bit, and it's quite simple as this. They're either an anagram of each other or else they are not an anagram of each other. And what it wants to say there is that the word one is not, and just make sure here that I'm right, is not an anagram of, and not in capital letters there. So we'll just make sure we get it right. Is not an anagram of, not an anagram of word 2. And we will test this. You should always make sure you test as you go along. So we're looking for the first word here. We're going to try list. We'll try array, and we don't even need to use capital letters here. We'll just make sure they're not the same. List is not an anagram of array. We'll just double check actually using the capital letters, but 100% that is correct. Array, and they are not the same. So list is not an anagram of array, and just make sure you run another one with listen and silent. And listen is an anagram of silent. There's a part 3.